Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 16. This is Section 2.2, Problem 16. It says, find the prime factorization of the number. Write repeated factors using exponents. So we have 56. So what primes multiply to make 56? So to start off, find any two numbers that multiply to make a 56. And we can start with 7 times 8. 7 times 8 multiplies to make 56. And now break them down further if you can. Well, the 7 won't break down any further because it's prime. But the 8 can be broken down into 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is an 8. And now the last 4 can be broken down a little bit more. So the 7 that I started with cannot be broken down anymore. It just comes straight down, stays 7. The 2 here also just comes straight down. I can't break it down anymore. But the 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So now at this point, everything ends in a prime. 7's prime, 2's prime, and it's 2 again and again. So now to write the prime factorization, I'll put 56 equals, and it's traditional to put the smaller primes first. You don't have to, but it would be 2 to the 3rd power, because there's 3 of them, times 7. And you can check it. If you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, it will verify that that's 56, and they are all primes.